Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Kia Seltos in cherry black. With HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 17-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, all-wheel drive, shark fin antenna, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 8,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, MP3 player, split folding rear seats, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5998B.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.